Grammar Gear Class 5 Lesson 4 Adjective Formation. Look at the picture. Underline the correct words from the option given to describe the picture. Here given a picture. The barn in the picture has natural or nature surroundings. It has a love or lovely environment. It is a sunny or Sunday. There is cheer in the flowery or flower landscape. The area around the beauty or beautiful quaint barn is bump or bumpy. The place is just suitable or suit for a peaceful or peace life. Here the barn in the picture has natural surroundings. It has a lovely environment. It is a sunny day. There is cheer in the flowery landscape. The area around the beauty quaint barn is bumpy. The place is just suitable for a peaceful life. You just underline the adjectives from the of the words. Adjectives are often formed from other words. Let us learn the various ways in which adjectives can be formed. Usually we add a suffix to a word to make it function as an adjective. Formation of adjectives by adding suffixes. Recap. You already know what a suffix is. It is a letter or a group of letters added at the end of a word to make another word. For example, swift plus ly, swiftly. Mad plus ness, madness. Let us look at some of the different ways in which adjectives can be formed. They can be formed from nouns and verbs. 1. By adding the suffix full. Hope, hopeful. Success, successful. Peace, peaceful. Skill, skillful. 2. By adding the suffix less. Harm, harmless. Mercy, merciless. Use, useless. Care, careless. 3. By adding the suffix able. Break, breakable. Love, lovable. Comfort, comfortable. Accept, acceptable. 4. By adding the suffix y. Cloud, cloudy. Hunger, hungry. Wind, windy. Grass, grassy. By adding the suffix ous. Glory, glorious. Fame, famous. Religion, religious. Courage, courageous. 6. By adding the suffix ly. Friend, friendly. Year, yearly. Week, weekly. Month, monthly. 7. By adding the suffix ish. Fool, foolish. Red, reddish. Child, childish. Style, stylish. 8. By adding the suffix ive. Attract, attractive. Create, creative. Act, active. Protect, protective. Sometimes we need to change the spelling of the word before we add a suffix to form an adjective. For example, sun, sunny, day, daily, talk, talkative, circle, circular, machine, mechanical, clue, clueless. A. Complete each sentence by adding a suitable suffix to the word given in brackets. 1. We cancelled the picnic because it was a rainy day. 2. We were spellbound by her wonderful performance. 3. Some animals migrate annually in search of food. 4. My mother does not want me at the table with Fifthly, 5. The dangerous dinosaurs overcome extinct near 100 million years ago. 6. These night shelters have been set up for the homeless people. Mr. Sharma is an extremely forgetful person. 8. We picked some juicy berries as we walked along. 9. We looked for a comfortable lodge to stay in. 10. The joyous performers entertained us all. B. Complete the funny poem by adding the suffixes ish, ful, or y correctly to the words in the box. There was once a foolish boy named Cole who stuck himself in a muddy hole. To get out all childish tricks he tried till the helpful people came to guide, and out climbed Cole like a hairy mole. C. Write two adjective forms of each of these words. 1. Help, helpful, helpless. 2. Respect, respectful, respectable. 3. Friend, friendless, friendly. 5. Harm, harmful, harmless. 4. Faith, faithful, faithless, or faithfully. 6. Love, lovely, lovable. D. Rewrite the passage using suitable adjective form of the underlined words. The first one has been done for you. Animals and plants often live together in the natural world. Many herbivorous animals feed on plants, but there are plants that do not want to be eaten. These plants have impressive defense systems to protect themselves from the herbivorous animals. The thorny stem of the raspberry plant keeps animals away. Certainly, what hurts the throat is not tasty food. Animals also know it's best to avoid the spiked cactus. Then there are some carnivorous plants. For example, the sticky liquid of the sundew plant may be sweet, but it wraps, traps, and digests the insects. There are other plants like daffodils and chrysanthemums with attractive colors and colorful blossoms, but they produce poisonous chemicals that can make the animal sick or even kill it. Over time, animals learn to avoid these tricky treats.